everyone, if you're new here, my name is Katanya. Today's video is going to consist of a little shopping trip. We're going to go to Aldi to do grocery shopping. That's why I mostly get all my groceries. We're also going to go to Walmart. And back there you can see that basket back here behind me. That's where I need to take those clothing items to the Salvation Army. And we're also going to take my girls to the park. So let's get this started. Okay guys, today we're at Aldi's grocery shopping, picking up some things that we need. We come every 2 weeks. And if we need anything, we'll just run in and get something. Other than that, we just come in here and get our groceries. How many bags of pretzels? You got 2?
Yeah.
I wanted to get... We need to get some of these.
What?
Yeah, I wanted some bagels. You don't have a small one? Yeah. Come in a bag. What's that down? Yeah. You get bread? I need bananas too. But you got wheat too, so. Buns are on sale today for 65 cents. Got some hamburger buns too. Or wait, no. I want some of these other buns for chicken sandwiches. Chicken sandwiches. Damn, 4 come in here.
Yeah, they're not big. They're like that dough stuff.
Huh? That's croissant. I don't want these hard things. Now, remember I made chicken breast sandwiches? I want to make some more. Let's just get another one of these. Here.
Let's be ready.
Thought you were grabbing more for something else.
I was going to get more for her.
There. Here. Spinach. Yeah. Some broccoli. 2 heads. 2 packs. Wait, bring those mushrooms back. No. You can keep them. You grab some carrots, Ronnie? Did you want these or do you want the... the baked Bella.
Doesn't matter.
You can get the one. You get regular lettuce?
I haven't got it.
Yeah, because I use it to cook with. And here.
Hey, stop. One thing already. Yes,
No, we don't have it. Bag of potatoes. No, you can get some more. Here. Peppers. I have a whole thing of it. You get tacos? You get tacos? Huh? Chicken bacon ranch? Yeah, get two. Mm-hmm. One.
Hey.
You should get Parmesan.
Do need pineapple, crushed pineapple.
I made the one at the end already.
I like the puffy one.
steak, but
Okay, now.
this we do not get here because I don't like the price for what you get. I can get much more at Walmart or Sam's Club.
Baby.
Alright. Oh, these are the ones I normally get though. For 68. Okay. You get drumsticks? No, no,
I
no.
haven't done
They're disgusting.
it. That's why I was asking if you want me to get
Right.
That's why I said.
See it. Okay. Okay, everyone, so we are back from grocery shopping. We actually went to different stores. I'm going to film different videos for them because they're quite large. But we're going to go ahead and get started with this Aldi's haul. And today, let's see what we have bought. I bought some heavy whipping cream, hot dogs, some Polish sausages there, 2 things of eggs, 2 things of sour cream, cream cheese. We got 3 things of the sliced Colby Jack cheese, 2 things of the Black Forest ham. We got 4 bags of cheese, 2 mild cheddar, and 2 Colby Jack. We got 2 bags of the cheese plus, my daughters love those. That's for my 3-year-old. I got 2 bags of the real bacon pieces and 2 bags of ranch. Back here we have 2 bags of the pretzels, thing of ketchup, 2 things of ranch, thing of Worcestershire sauce, I can never say that word, container of Parmesan cheese, my favorite creamer. I always get this creamer, I absolutely love it. When I use it, I do not have to use any sugar in my coffee. 2 things of spaghetti sauce. I normally get the oh my goodness, what is it, garlic flavor, but they did not have it today. This is my favorite cheese to use. I use this whenever I am making anything that needs to have melted cheese in it, such as macaroni or any kind of one pot dish that I use. Got a thing of onion dip mix here, 2 things of Jiffy corn mix, some pasta, big bag of rice. Back here we have 3 things of chewy chocolate chip cookies, a box of hard shell tacos, mashed potatoes. Back here we have 2 things of cereal. I have some Honey Nut Crispy Oats and some honey wheat puffs there, a dupe of the knockoff of the Smacks. My husband loves them. They're very good. You cannot tell that they're not Smacks. And over here is my meat section. I have a bag of tilapia. We bought a whole chicken here. I have a thing of chicken thighs. Actually, chicken thighs and a thing of chicken drumsticks here. this large container of hamburger meat, we can actually make up to 3 different servings out of here, depending on what I'm making. But if I'm making spaghetti and tacos, or spaghetti and I can make spaghetti, tacos, and loaded baked potatoes out of this one container. Then I have 6 things of chicken wings here. And these were at a very good price. And I have some boneless, skinless chicken breasts back here, and a small version back here. I use these to make my chicken sub sandwiches, and I'm going to use these to make just regular chicken sandwiches. Back here I have 2 things of the assorted pork chops, and then I have the small sliced thin version back here. And I have another one of those small versions in my deep freezer already. Over here, I guess I can go ahead and show you this. This is just a bag of paper plates and 2 things of sugar. We purchased these from Walmart. Okay, and over here is just a continuation of what we got from Aldi's. Back here I have some romaine lettuce. I have some sweet peppers back here. 2 things of broccoli. 3 bags of carrots. A container of strawberries. A bag of tomatoes on the vine. Container of mushrooms. 2 things of puddings. 3 things of honey buns. And back here I have a bag of spinach. Over here I have a bag of hot dog buns. 2 bags of the deli rolls that I use to make my chicken sandwiches with. 2 things of regular bread. Bag of bagels, hamburger buns, and my soft tortilla flour tortillas. Over here is my fruit section here, canned fruit section. We're going to get more fruit later from a different store, fresh fruit from a different store. Here I have my fruit cocktail. We have 4 containers of that, 2 containers of pear slices, 4 containers of crushed pineapple, 4 containers of green beans. I have 4 containers of tuna, 4 containers of carrots, and 4 containers of the sweet corn. And I have my big bag of my white potatoes and my big bag of sweet potatoes. And that is all of what we purchased today from Aldi. $201 even. And we got all of this for $201. Please excuse my dishes back there. I have to do my dishes. That's going to be a whole nother separate video if I get a chance to do it. Otherwise, I'm just going to go ahead and clean the kitchen. This is just another look of what we purchased from Aldi today for $201. If you like this video, please give me a thumb up. Please make sure to like and subscribe and comment down below. Thank you so much for watching, and you have a good day.